So how to change the filter for the air purifier Xiaomi Mi 4 Lite. You will notice on the sides that you have these buttons here and on the left side as well here. So you need to press at the same time. The top part will come off, and here is the filter. You just take it off carefully. This is the filter. This is new, by the way. And then if you want to replace it, you take the replacement filter, you just install it back like this, and then the top part you just set it here and just press it like this, and it's good to go. No need to press anything else, it will just slide right in. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.